It has been a while and your boy is addicted to these fucking vapes. So today we are talking about Trenbelone. You hear the trend stories, the memes, the TikToks. You see, Tren is the anabolic steroid that really works, gets you jacked. Although they are right, it has a crazy effect on your body, on your physique. But today I will give you some information that you need to know before you think by your brain, I have to use Trenbelone and get jacked. The Trenbelone sandwich. What I want you to understand is that the administration of Trenbelone promotes a direct effect on the androgen receptor. An androgen receptor, also called the AR, facilitated by Trenbelone, contributes to an increase in IGF-1. And IGF-1 is a growth factor which also increases when you administer testosterone or another anabolic like Trenbelone, I don't know, like name it. So IGF-1 enhances skeletal muscle protein accretion, activation and proliferation of satellite cells that then facilitate an increase in muscle growth. That's why all the guys take steroids, right? That's what you want. You want an increase in skeletal muscle growth. It's not like you're going to take it for something else, right? Or I don't know, maybe if you're doing TRT, that's a completely different story. But Tren has the capability to produce insulin-like growth factor, IGF-1, like I said. So you see a lot of bodybuilders using Trenbelone before a competition, for example. And there is a reason for it. I do not recommend any of my clients or anyone to use Trenbelone in an off-season, and I'll explain why. So IGF-1 plays a significant role in the functions and properties of the central nervous system, muscle tissue, ligaments and cartilage and tendons. But IGF-1 is only promoted by a few anabolic steroids, with Trenbelone acetate being one of the best promoters. So Tren also has the ability to increase your red blood cell count. So with a larger amount of red blood cells, blood oxygen is enhanced. So this allows for enhanced muscular endurance and therefore also promotes a faster rate of recovery. But why do bodybuilders use Trenbelone before competition? Trenbelone is capable of inhibiting glucocorticoids such as cortisol. And cortisol is a stress hormone which also will increase the chance of muscle loss. And when are bodybuilders more prone to muscle loss? Well, maybe 4 weeks out of a competition, 6 weeks out of a competition, doesn't matter. Even if you use anabolics, you'll still lose some muscle. If you don't want to lose as much muscle, well, that's why they use Tren. So for example, if you have a lot of glucocorticoids, what will happen? Well, you gain more fat, you lose more muscle. That's it. That's why they use it. That's why they use Tren. And next to that also, Tren it gives a crazy temporary effect on your body composition, on the way you look. The look you get from using Tren is insane, especially when you're very lean. So that's why most bodybuilders use it before competition. So why do I not recommend it ever? Because it wrecks your blood work, which is insane. It gives you they call it divorce in a bottle. Do you have a wife? Use fucking Tren. You're going to be a shitty ass boyfriend in most cases. But although I heard some stories that some guys literally turn gay because of it. Or guys that want to fuck trannies, you know? Or grandmas, like crazy shit. But if you have a girlfriend, there's a high chance you're going to be a dick. Alright? You're going to be a dick. Aggression will go through the roof and your sleep will get fucked. So if you want to grow optimally, you don't want to wreck your sleep, because even if you use androgens, if your sleep is fucked, it's no bueno. And also, which is also pretty interesting, there's also even research that shows that Trenbelone acetate is not more anabolic than testosterone. Yeah, oh shit. People always chase like the effect they get on their look for the certain period of time. But it's not like you're going to gain more muscle because of it. Just keep that in mind. Just like D-ball. You gain a lot of strength, you balloon up like a whale. Like a whale. So it's not like it's more anabolic than testosterone or vice versa. So I hope this video was informative or funny. I don't know. Name it. If you like the video, like it, subscribe, and I see you next time, guys. Much love.